Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to discuss 5 suitable words for multiple topics that can be used very frequently in writing and speaking modules and will make your work impressive. So without wasting time, let's begin. First word is rudimentary. Rudimentary means basic. For example, education and health are the two rudimentary factors to promote greener pastures. So greener pastures means better position or situation. In simple words, this sentence means education and health are the two basic factors to promote greener pastures. So replace basic with rudimentary to grab good scores in your writing and speaking modules. Next word is pragmatic. Pragmatic is a synonym of practical, and other synonyms of practical are feasible and viable. So let's use one of these synonyms in a sentence. For example, flyovers are pragmatic solution to curb traffic problem. In simple words, this sentence means flyovers are practical solution to control traffic problem. So replace practical with pragmatic, feasible or viable to make your writing and speaking impressive. Next word is naive. Naive or novice means fresher or new to something. For example, in this competitive era, it is arduous to find a lucrative job for naive. Arduous means difficult and lucrative job means well-paid job. In simple words, this sentence means in this competitive era, it is difficult to find a well-paid job for fresher. So whenever you want to write fresher, use one of these words, naive or novice. Next is indispensable. Indispensable means essential. For example, internet has become an indispensable part of everyone's life and it is difficult to imagine a life without internet. So replace essential with indispensable to make your writing and speaking impressive. Next word is sedentary. Sedentary means which involve a lot of sitting. So whenever you want to write that people are sitting a lot, so you can say people are following sedentary lifestyle. For example, sedentary lifestyle and easy availability of junk food are the main causes of obesity. So start using these words in your writing and speaking modules to make your work impressive. So that's it for this session. If you find this video useful, then please share it with your friends and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching and have a good day.